But session formats and time domains, just make sure that you're sometimes doing stuff that's only 10 seconds long, you're sometimes doing stuff that's 30 plus minutes long, and there's an even distribution through that. Now what we can do is look at like a bell-shaped curve and say, all right, we're going to go, this is 10 seconds, this is 60 minutes. Maybe you spend a lot of time working more around the middle, because your ability to do something for 60 minutes is not necessarily going to improve your ability to do something for 10 seconds and vice versa. However, your ability to do something for 12 minutes may have a big crossover, carryover effect onto the other areas. So this isn't do an equal amount of workouts that are 1 minute, 2 minute, 3, 4, 5, 58, 59, 60 minutes long. This is spend a lot of the time working in those middle time domains, but make sure you don't avoid or neglect these extremes as well. But they should be an exception. You aren't going to be doing a huge amount of those. So that's your session formats and time domains.